Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Guru Vaishnavangscha.
Swamiji, it is prohibited to consume flesh, meat. It's because that there is soul in the body, and if we kill it, therefore we are doing a sin. I think it's because that we can't consume meat according to the Vedic literature. But what about plants, Swamiji?
Plants also, they are also killed. They are also killed. But plants are killed by the order of Krishna. Therefore you are not responsible.
Therefore, if we say that we can kill some animal by the order of Krishna,
then you are not responsible. Suppose I kill one snake by the stick. The stick is not responsible. I am responsible.
When do you think that you know that Krishna is responsible and not
You learn from the Shastra. You learn from Bhagavad Gita what Krishna says and do it. Then you are not responsible for anything. Just like if there is law book, if you act, don't keep on act according to law book, then you are not criminal. If you violate the law book, then you are criminal. Similarly, what Krishna says, that is recorded in the Shastra, especially in the Bhagavad Gita. So you act what is said in the Bhagavad Gita, then you remain free from all sinful reaction. Jagyathe karma annatra lokayam karma bandhana. Jagyathe means for Krishna. Whatever you do, that's all right. Otherwise, you have become bound up by the reaction. Annatra karma bandhana. Karma bandhana means you are bound up by the reaction. Therefore, you have to act according to Krishna. That is Krishna consciousness. If you act different, then you are responsible.
How would you know what to consume and what not, Swamiji?
That is stated in the Shastra. Krishna says, Patram pushpam phalam toyam jumi bhakta prajakshati. Patram means vegetable leaves, pushpam, flower. In this way, whatever he says, you collect and offer to him and take prasada. Then you are not responsible. And if you collect for yourself even patram, without offering to Krishna, if you take, you are responsible for killing. It doesn't matter whether you kill a big animal or all plant, you are responsible. Just like a soldier, he kills hundreds and thousands of men and he is given gold medal. And as soon as he kills one man, for his sense gratification, he is hanged. Is it not?
Yes.
He can say, I have killed so many men, at that time I was not hanged, I was given gold medal. How is that? I have killed only one man, I am going to be hanged. That is law. You cannot do anything on your own account, sense gratification. Then you are responsible. Jagyathe mananatra lokayam karma bandhana. Everything is stated. Read Bhagavad Gita very thoroughly and try to understand. Then everything will be clear. How to live, how to organize society. We have to live the same thing. We are also working, we are also eating, we are sleeping. We are also marrying, but according to Krishna's direction. Then it is Krishna conscious life and perfect life. And as soon as you do anything whimsically at your will, then you are responsible. Krishna or his representative. Krishna is giving instruction and his representative is explaining. Both ways Krishna is helping. So even so much facility being offered to you, if you don't take advantage, then you are committing suicide. Atmaha. Atmaha. Just like the sea is now calm and quiet. If you want to go somewhere, take advantage of it. And if you start your boat while it is cyclone, then you will be drowned. So, Krishna has left the book of instruction, Bhagavad Gita. It is favorable. And the spiritual master is the captain. And you take advantage. This human body is a good boat. So good boat, favorable condition, good captain. Take advantage of crossing this ocean. Otherwise you are committing suicide.